rebuilt this rocket engine, had the engine out on the bench, replaced transmission, well, took out the transmission, sent it to Robinson Industries in New York, get upgraded, got full upgrade package. Also replaced the pistons from Carpenter Racing turbo pistons, which were about on the stroker 9.2 to 1, I think, 8 points, or was it 8.7? Somewhere around 9 to 1 anyway. And then I also had a set of my own one-off custom-made Carrillo forged turbo pistons down to the compression ratio of 8 to 1 on the base of the stroker. If you put them into a normal 2.3 litre engine, it would be, I don't know, 7 point something, lower compression again. And I also replaced the valve spring titanium retainers as well. So now I'm going to start it up for the first time, and hopefully it will start and things don't break. Hoping my fuel line is nicely primed. Alright, let's do this thing. Okay, looks like you need to prime the fuel lines a little bit more. Alright, let's give it another go. Good to go.